I am Abram Baker. I work for a milling company where they make grits and flour, cornmeal. I'm a maintenance technician, and I work in a lot of different areas in the plant. I always worked hard and tried to do the best I could. I was on a 12-foot ladder. I don't know for sure what happened. The ladder may have walked on me, and then I instinctively reached out, and it sucked me in there. And I lost my left hand and my wrist.
You don't think about things like that ever happening to you, your loved one, and then when it does, it's really devastating.
It affects every single thing you do.
In the beginning, we had lots of what ifs. What's the future going to look like for him?
I watched a documentary called Charged about a chef and him losing his arm. His name was Eduardo Garcia, and he was an inspiration to me.
When that show clicked off, he was like, that's it. I'm not letting this stop me. I'm not letting it get me down.
I just knew that I had to keep providing for my family, and I couldn't stop.
My husband and I live in Tennessee, and we travel to Dallas, Texas for his upper limb prosthetics.
From Memphis to Dallas is only an hour flight. It's not that big of a deal. It's well worth it because of Arm Dynamics. They specialize upper limb. That's all they do. The people there are very sympathetic and very helpful.
They have such an in-house capability of taking from a Monday to a Friday and having him fully fitted with a functional prosthetic that he can go back to work with.
I left there with an ETD and the task at hand and the socket. You can put either one in, So it goes around that alternator right there. I've been a gearhead since I was born. We love building rat rods, and we love building 4x4s to go off-roading with. That's really our thing.
I think there is a bond between people who have lost a limb. And one of the things that he really enjoyed was when people reached out to him for advice.
Hello. There's more happiness in giving than there is receiving. After I got hurt, as part of the healing process, I felt the need to help other people. And doing that gave me a sense of fulfillment that I hadn't had before. So I started a nonprofit called the Wounded Wing Foundation to help upper limb amputees through the healing process. A lot of people think life's over. I did, but it's not.